Built for two, but is it for you? Behind me, Roadtrek Westfalia Wave for two. Luxurious, spacious, built for two. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go see why it's for you. So we got a chill vibe patio time for two out here. As you can see, a power awning. We can either drop the leg, stake it off, or leave it hooked up to the camper. And if you're chilling outside, but you got the door open, no bugs, easily achievable with the sliding screen door. Don't forget about the backside. We've got big cargo doors that can stretch out extra wide. Lots of space for storage goodies. And if you got the screen enclosure on the side, we can also enclose the backside as well with some storage and some screens. So if you're laying in bed, you've got a great view. So one of those things that we mentioned, if you remember in the beginning, space. Check out all this space back here on the backside of the motorhome. Tons of storage. We've got lots and lots of drawers. Plenty of overhead cabinets as well for more storage. And as you guys can see, we can either leave this set up for maybe like a sofa, or at nighttime, easily drop it down for a bed for two. At the kitchen, very spacious. We've got lots of counter space that you can see. Cooking is done by either the induction cooktop or the overhead microwave. Plenty of drawers and storage. You guys can see next to me here, as well as at the end. And then of course the overhead lighting everywhere is dimmable and just super luxury feel as you're sitting here preparing some meals. Opposite of the large sliding door and the kitchen is your 12-volt refrigerator freezer separate. Nice storage. Plenty of storage over on the side. I know if it was me, probably my pantry. More extension to some counter space in case you've got a lot of prepping to do, as well as overhead storage. And we've been promising you this is built for two. Well, you haven't seen the table yet, have you? We've got you. Table for two or dinner for two. Voila. So wet bath on this coach, again, just feels really nice. Even the little backlight to the frosted glass here. But we're gonna have, of course, our standard toilet, which is about a 5-gallon capacity for your pull-out toilet cassette tank. We're gonna have all enclosed fiberglass shell with a pull-out shower curtain in case you're doing your showering. Lots of little cubby holes, even has a window there. We're gonna have over 38 gallons of fresh water, as well as over 26 gallons of gray water at use. Traveling for two is a breeze in this coach. It's a Ram ProMaster chassis, plenty of oomph. It's got a 3.6 liter V6. And we have a lot of our controls here ergonomically laid out for both passenger and driver seat. And beyond the layout, we have a lot of visibility with this coach. This thing has tons of cameras, rear, side, front. So wherever we're going, turning left, turning right, backing up, or more importantly, we've got a full 360 view, just like your luxury vehicles. And while we're here talking about under the hood with the power, we have an under hood generator that supplies your 600 amp hour lithium battery bank. If just in a pinch, we also have 300-watt solar panel to supply us. Now, for all the power outlets, we have tons around throughout the coach, 12-volt, 110. If you're looking to get that 110 device plugged in, don't worry, that lithium battery can be turned into 110 via the 3,000-watt inverter. Regardless of the climate, wherever the two of you travel, this thing is going to keep you comfortable. We have Truma systems everywhere. We have a Truma combi system that's going to provide you the hot water as well as the nice non-dry heat, if you will. We also have a Truma AC over rooftop that's a 13,500 AC. Now, of course, the coach, you have to go online and check it out. The coach itself is very well insulated from Roadtrek right out of the box. And even down to your windows, we have dual pane windows, both at the back as well as your skylight. And if you need some privacy, these things are awesome. They have either a screen or the blackout nightshade. So you see the luxury, you see the space, and you see all the features. So is it for you? Give us a thumbs up if you agree. Comment below, because I'm sure there's some questions I need to get some answers out to you guys. And everybody, please show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out on the campsites.